Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the Crazy Aggressive Dividend Portfolio Update. I have decided to pause my deposits into all of my portfolios except for my Roth until I get at least my credit card paid off. So I will not be depositing any more money into the taxable accounts until that's done. I'm currently down to about $3,700 on that credit card, I believe. So once I get that paid, then we can start depositing again. I've still got more debt to go with my daughter's student loan, but other than that, we're doing pretty good. But I want to get that credit card paid off because it's at like 10.6% interest at this point, which is very low for a credit card because of my good credit, but it's very high overall to carry any balance on. So that's just stupid. So we're not depositing any more into the taxable accounts, probably for a month or two, and we will be paying that off. And then we'll resume. But the Roth, of course, will not be stopped. That is my number one priority. I will always invest for my retirement, and that is my retirement account. Anyways, back to this week's portfolio update. I did invest this week on all of these. So current value of the aggressive dividends is $1,616.85. There are $7.85 in cash sitting in the account. And again, I'm not going over all of these things. I will do it in the spreadsheet because it's much easier. If I am missing anything that you want to see in the account, just let me know and I will be happy to go over it. $1,616.85, $785 in cash. I have deposited $1,505 into this account. So that means that we are currently up $111.85 or 7.43%. Not too bad. All right, dividend wise. Dividends, now this is a mess. Dividends on this account is a freaking mess because they did that reset. So I thought since they did the reset, I'd just start tracking the current since reset amount, right? Unfortunately, this last week, a couple days ago, when I went to check to add up all the dividends, they did not add up to the amount that it said I earned in the account. I'm like, what the hell's going on? So I went through all 48 holdings in this portfolio. Yeah, over here. I went through all 48 holdings in this portfolio, checked every single one and put down all the damn earnings I've made on dividends, and it still did not add up properly to what it showed. So I do not know what's going on with the dividend tracking in this portfolio ever since that reset. So what I'm thinking about doing is I'm just going to give up. I'm going to reset all these dividend numbers and only go with the number that it shows in the account and just track it from there. And we'll see what happens. And we'll just guess that we have an extra $10 somewhere in earnings. So that's what I'm probably going to end up doing after I get all these videos out, because I got like 7 or 8 of them to make this weekend, and I've still got to work overtime. So anyways, there is that. January, we were paid $5.35, and so far in February, it's only one day into February, but on February 1st, I got paid $4.68 in dividends from all of this right here. Dividend changes, there's been none. This one's just that special dividend, hasn't updated yet, but there has been no dividend changes. Yearly dividends, as you can see, we are almost all green except for 5 positions. There's been one investing day. I put $50 in, which increased my yearly income by $5.38, giving me a 10.76% yield on cost. This portfolio is currently giving us $157.64 a year, or $13.14 a month, for an overall return of 10.47%. Nothing's changed. I haven't sold anything since those long time ago in January. So I haven't bought any new positions, any of that. And that is the aggressive dividend portfolio update. I'm going to make these short and sweet this week and try not to blunder on too long, but I'll try to keep as much info in these as I can that is relevant. All right, guys, have a good one. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks, guys.